Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Nifty Forecast and my name is Lokesh. I hope you all had wonderful trading sessions. It was just one side momentum all these days, last 3 trading sessions, and I'm sure each one of you must have made a decent profit out of every trading session. I hope you all are very clear with how to read the market data by analyzing FI data end of the day. If you are not, please follow my channel. Please do subscribe if you are a new visitor so that you get to understand how to analyze the FI data every day and keep yourself ready for the trade plan one day in advance. Please do subscribe. I am telling you this because please go back to my channel, visit all the videos, spend a 2 minutes time on each of the video, and you get to understand that in no single day we went wrong, right? You can go back to the channel and comment on this. Right, let's get into the today's session. We are looking at the Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday chart. What we see is just one side directional move, right? I hope you all are with me on this. It is definitely a one-sided move. I mean, although there was a slight up move here, I'm sure that was a trap. No data points were indicating any up move at all, right? So let's plan for the next day. That is not tomorrow, because tomorrow is a holiday for NSE trading, right? Let's look at the above copy and plan the next trading session. If we look at the Bank Nifty, we get to understand that change in open interest over 1,77,350 contracts added open interest, and in the next month what has happened, close to 1 lakh contracts added. This is absolutely a big number, a phenomenal number of contracts being added. And what has happened in Nifty is even bigger. That is 3,70,600 contracts this month, and close to 50% of the contracts in the next month as well. So, what has happened in the market today? It is a one direction, right? It is one direction. And the above copy is telling us that open interest has been added in this particular direction. What do we get to understand? Isn't it very clear? I mean, should we not be prepared for the directional trade in the coming days? Yeah, right. I hope everybody is very clear with this. Let's also look at the intraday data. We are looking at participant wise trading volumes, right? In the equity derivatives, you can download this report from the derivative section of market data in the new website. And what this table tells us is a pure intraday activity. What these participants have done in the indices long, indices short, and so on, right? So I will be more focused on the DIFI and Pro. If I sum up DIFI and Pro index longs, this is the number, and if I sum up the DIFI and Pro index shorts, this is the number. I get to understand, you know, the market has traveled only one direction. On top of it, there are still more shots added. That's a significant strength in that particular direction, right? So the trade plan is of course very clear. Tomorrow or the next trading session, there is still scope for a down move, right? If at all you get to see that the market is opening gap up, like 100 points, 70 points, you can blindly close your eyes, play some short side trade, take your profits and exit. That should be the plan very precisely, all right? Don't think twice about it. Be confident of the data analysis part that you're doing, and trade absolutely in control. That is precisely the purpose of this channel, right? So what do we understand if I look at the participant wise OI, a positional data, that FI shorts are also built up significantly as compared to the longs. So the upside is definitely capped. But let's see what happens in the next trading session. I'm sure after the next trading session, there might be a short relief, but I'm not 100% confident, or I'm not making any derivatives out of it now. That is just my assumption based on a few gut feeling or my experience of reading this data and all that. Right, so that's the plan very precisely about the next trading session. In case if you are very keen on trying to understand a bit of stocks, I will take you through a couple of them. But mind you, in case if I am telling you any stocks, I will not give you any assurance more than 2%. Right? That is precisely what I look for. So, in case if you are looking for gaining more returns, I would strongly request you, request you, whatever it may be, increase your capital. That is the only way you make money out of it. I mean, if you're having a 50,000, 10,000, I mean 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees in your bucket, don't aim for getting 10,000 every day, every week. I mean, that does not work, because if the markets are so easy to crack, and if they are so easy to make money, nobody would go IIT, IIM, bits, and all that, right? I mean, it's no point doing all that. So think wise, make a very wise decision, plan your trades well in advance, take 2% out of every trade, and bingo. End of the year, you will at least double or triple your money, right? Right. So 2% in 5 to 7 trading sessions is always my target. So what we are looking at is I have opened the BAV copy today that I have downloaded, and I put a sorting order, change in open interest from largest to smallest, and here I try to understand what is that stock or index that has gained a lot of open interest. Look at the bank nifty, it has closed at 146, and the open interest has been so much. So many calls must have been written. So many calls. I mean, in the Nifty counter, 15,600 calls must have been written, right? Nifty counter 650. And in case if you're looking at a value which is negligible, like 0.15, 0.1, 1 rupee, things like that, you can ignore. Although it is a big number, there is not a significant activity that you will be able to notice, or you can't make a trade decision based on this lower negligible numbers. So focus on numbers that has good value, like 146 rupees a stock has closed, or bank nifty option has closed. That means there is a significant strength in this, right? And the reason being, tomorrow is an holiday, and the decay will be faster on the next trading session. That could be one reason there has been a lot of call writing, and the market might as well open flat. And SBIN calls have been written. See, absolutely, calls have been written every stage. 430, 425, all that. Calls have been written for Bharti Airtel as well. Yeah, HDFC. So plan for any of these stocks. I mean, if I had to give you one more clue, if I sort the change in open interest from largest to smallest, don't consider the smallest numbers here. In this strike price column, look for the biggest value, and here the first biggest value apart from index is 430 SBIN. So this will definitely have strength, and then again SBIN, and then it is Bharti Airtel. This will have strength. All right. So it is a very simple strategy. You can definitely gain 2% in 5 to 7 trading sessions. So that's about the content for today. Please do like, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment box. Spread the word among your channel friends about this channel, and I'm sure there is definitely a lot of learning curve. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me in this channel. Have a great trading session. Happy Eid. Bye bye.